Hey guys, welcome back. It's Jason with Optimum Polymer Technologies and Optico. We're working here on Project Sequoia, which has been one of our series. I want to show you one of our tire protectants. There's plenty of tire shines out there. I want to show you one that's going to be a semi-permanent tire shine. And when we go through our 500/1000 mile test, I will not clean these or do anything to these so you can actually see it. So let's talk about the product. We're going to use Optimum Tire Protection and Coating. Now, this is a semi-permanent coating. When I apply this, I'm going to put this on a microfiber. Any microfiber will do, but because I want to have it nice and wet with the chemical, I've decided to use this thicker square microfiber. Now, I've already cleaned this tire, so we're not going to go through how to properly clean the tire this time, but I want to show you how to apply this product. Now, it does go on blue. That is correct. That is how it should look as you're putting it on. Now, as a hint, I like to keep a dry microfiber to take it off any of the spots that I got on the wheel. It's a lot easier when it's wet to get it off than it is later on. So I'll continue to apply the tire protection on there. Now I'm going to give you a little hint. This isn't an off-road tire, but when you get some of the bigger tires with the big grooves in them, a little trick is get something like a wheel brush like this. If you get a little bit of this material, or chemical I should say, on that, you can go into these wheels and these little grooves and actually make sure you work that in there. You may be able to use a microfiber to push it in there, but this is a little trick that helps me when you do the big grooves on some of those off-road tires. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up so this tire is ready to go, and stay tuned to keep watching our series with more tricks to come on Project Sequoia.